The warning error IU in an older Subaru vehicle means that the integrated unit, which IU actually stands for, doesn't have proper communication with the system. The body integrated unit controls a lot of functions, but in most cases this error IU warning is connected with the key lock system. There are basically two most common issues: the circuit board damage in the integrated unit or the key lock button not working in the ignition cylinder. The integrated unit is located on the steering column under the steering wheel. It's quite easy to get to, and you basically have two options to fix this warning: either replace the module or resolder the resistors on it. Unless you have the equipment and skills for soldering, buying the used replacement module will most likely be cheaper. Before you buy any parts, try disconnecting the 12-volt battery for several minutes. Sometimes this fixes the warning and it may not reappear anytime soon, saving your time and money on repairs. Unfortunately, there is basically no way you can learn if it's the module or the key lock switch malfunctions, but fortunately the parts are not that expensive. Also, the clear indication that you have one of these two problems is that the warning error IU pops up on the dashboard when you shift the transmission out of park. Before you do that, the display shows other information like your mileage or whatever you have set it to show.